Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a final moments of summer. And if you want to know how I did the look, and stay tuned. For the base, I'm using the Face Shop Air Cotton Makeup Base in Mint. For foundation, I'm using my LA Girl Pro.matte HD Definition Longwear Matte in shade Natural. This is actually the first time I'm using it. Actually, this shade is too light for me. I should bought another one that is close to my shade, but this is what I get, and yeah. And for concealer, I'm using my FLORMAR Perfect Coverage Liquid Concealer in shade Medium Beige. But I'm letting the finish of the foundation. And for setting my concealer with actually this is eyeshadow, it's from Essence and it's their I Love Nude single eyeshadow in shade Vanilla Sugar. For brows, I'm using my Essence Eyebrow Designer Pencil in black, just doing my regular eyebrow steps. And I'm also placing another product, and it's from Essence, of course. It's their Eyebrow Stylist Set Powder and Natural Brunnete. And I'm taking the darker shade from the palette or powder. And then for my eyelid, I'm using my M.a.c Select Cover Up Concealer in shade NW20. And I'm setting it with my Mikyajy Sabaya Powder Foundation in shade 01. For eyeshadow palette, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I'm taking that first shade Edge, and then place it to my crease and blending into my inner eyelid. And then I'm gonna take the shade New Wave to darken the crease.
Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn.
And also placing that to my lower lash line using an angled brush. And then I'm gonna take the shade Fudge and then mix it with Mercury. For first, as you can see, the shadow is kind of patchy, and this eyeshadow was not blending so well. So I'm gonna blend it with shade New Wave, so it won't be that showing that kind of the patchiness, yes. And then I'm gonna do a half cut crease with the M.a.c concealer. Then I'm gonna to place that concealer, I'm gonna use my Essence I Love Nude single eyeshadow in shade Creme Brulee 03. And then I'm going to take the New Age shade to blend the cut crease. And then I'm going to take the Creme Brulee eyeshadow to my brow bone. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit highlighter in shade Crushed Pearl. Pack that to my inner corner, also dragging even lower to my lower lash line. For liquid eyeliner, I'm using my Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner in black. And I'm just gonna do a small wing, a regular wing. For mascara, I'm using my Makeup Revolution London. It's their amazing volume mascara. And also to my lower lash. For lashes, I'm using my M.Beauty false lashes. I have no idea what's the brand, no idea what's the style. I'm gonna set my whole face with my Mikyajy Sabaya powder foundation. And for my bronzer, I'm using my Pretty Compact powder in shade Bronze Beige. I'm just gonna do a light bronzer or contour because my foundation is too light, so I have to like get through that. And then I'm gonna contour my face, and then I'm gonna contour my nose. That's slappy on this part. For blush, I'm using my Essence Matte Touch blush in shade Pitch Me Up, and pop that to my cheek. For highlighter, I'm gonna use my BEIGE Crash Pro. I'm gonna set my whole face with MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. For lip, I'm gonna use my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in shade D8. And yes, finished. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, give it a thumbs up, comment anything at all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.